Hello friends, it's been a very long time since I've seen you. So today I've chose a very good book, Pete, the Kitty and the Case of Hiccups. Let's begin reading right now. Pete, the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. Hiccup! Oh no! Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. How do you stop the hiccups? Pete asked Grumpy Toad. How do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Kaylee, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Kaylee. You stand on one foot and hop up and down. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup! Hiccup! Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup! Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Bob. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly, says Bob. Pete does it. Splash! Hiccup! Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, says Bob. Pete asked Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. That's it? Pete asks. That's it, says Mom. Pete waits, and he waits, and he waits. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. I have 2 questions for you. What do you do when you have the hiccups? Oh, I see. I usually drink water, and sometimes I do a handstand or cartwheel. And also, my mom and dad scares me. And then, just like magic, the hiccups are gone. Second question. Do you think moms are so smart, just like Pete thinks? Oh, interesting. Bye! Let's see you next time.